Emirates. Kind of unusual that he's circling back around, but maybe not. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome to Thursday afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock and we are heading over to Snoqualmie Falls.
No, I want to go to Mount Rainier.
And look what the sign says. See, it's supposed to be open, but oh well. Waiting on Moss. And I like those flowers. I don't know what they are. I think they're rhodioes.
Cameras hanging off of you.
So, yeah, they're still working on it, as you can see over there. Beautiful, though. Just gorgeous. Okay, so we parked here, and there's the walkway, and now I'm guessing to say we're right around here. 8. Oh no, we must be around here. But see, then you go down here, and then you can walk over there. And that's not ready yet. Oh well. It's 17. Interesting. I don't see any falcons, so I'd like to. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Breathtakingly beautiful. So this is Lake Easton State Park. We're east of Snoqualmie right now, so very pretty. You're in Leavenworth and it's kind of dead. I don't think we've ever seen this place this uncrowded. But Fox is getting another beer, a third beer. And we just finished, got a nice jalapeno bratwurst. Oh my goodness. And of course, I had to get jalapeno mustard, jalapenos. A couple of other spicy kinds of mustard. Sauerkraut, onions. Really good. Glad we stopped here. It's so pretty, but it's so unusually quiet. So, there's your afternoon look at the mountains. Kind of hazy out, but it was overall an enjoyable day. Don't spill it now. Oh, is that for me? Thank you. No, just kidding.
What, you don't like this bitter?
I don't know. That's a lighter blonde, right?
No, it's a white.
It's a white?
Yeah, this one's like a hopsy bitter.
Oh. Yeah, that's pretty good. This lovely Bavarian German music. You know what I'm saying? So obviously, I don't know offhand the name of this dam, and you probably can't hear this, but we're on our way back home.